We'll be the first to admit that 2020 wasn't the best year for travel, but in 2021, we're keeping our fingers crossed for better days to come. As soon as it's safe to do so, we're sure you'll be raring to get back out there, so why not get planning now? Over the last couple of weeks, we've been counting down the top 5 best places to visit in 2021. Taking our number 3 spot, we're heading to Kenya. A land of vast savannas, immense wildlife and welcoming locals, Kenya is the perfect place to answer Africa's call of the wild. Kenya has long been a favourite destination for adventurers, and in a time of social distancing, its wide open landscapes are more appealing than ever. Your first stop has to be the Maasai Mara Reserve, globally renowned for its exceptional wildlife. More than 40% of the continent's large mammals can be found here, making it the perfect place to spot the Big Five. Travelling across the plains of Mara, you'll have the chance to spot the best wildlife that Kenya has to offer. When you dream of Africa, the chances are you'll be picturing something just like this, and the Mara certainly doesn't disappoint.
Oh my god!
For many, this is not just the highlight of their Kenyan adventure, it's the very reason they came in the first place.
Arriba! Arriba!
Meet the Maasai, Kenya's extraordinary indigenous people who can trace their ancestry all the way back to the 15th century. Gain a unique insight into their ancient way of life. Even today, they still live much as they would have done hundreds of years ago, retaining their traditions, lifestyle, and law. Now for one of the Mara's biggest surprises. Out here, at the heart of one of the wildest places on Earth, you'd be forgiven for not expecting luxury accommodation. But that's where you'd be wrong. Spend the night at the Mara Serena Lodge, the only safari accommodation within the Mara Triangle. Top off a perfect day exploring this Garden of Eden, taking in a stunning savanna sunset perched high above the endless grasslands below. There is no better way to start your day than a dawn balloon ride over the Pride Lands. Take to the air as the first light flickers across the skies.
Bye!
Soak up the absolute stillness of the Kenyan morning as you soar above the plains, forests and rivers of the Maasai Mara. Drifting wherever the current takes you, it is without a doubt the best way to take in its stunning vistas. Toast your return to Earth with a delicious champagne breakfast, freshly prepared wherever you land.
Cheers! It's good.
Every effort is being made to make your stay in the Mara as safe as possible. Regular testing, disinfecting and social distancing measures are widespread to give you that extra peace of mind. Take a short flight over to Nairobi, the cosmopolitan beating heart of Kenya. All this exploring will surely have worked up quite the appetite. Stop for lunch at the world-renowned carnivore restaurant for the ultimate beast of a feast. It's a restaurant quite unlike any other. Real swords of meat are roasted over a huge barbecue pit and then carved at your table. Nairobi's Giraffe Center is another absolute must-see. The centre, which protects the highly endangered Rothschild's giraffe, combines serious conservation with an amazing experience. Hand feed the giraffes from a raised platform and be sure to get a kiss before you leave. From Nairobi, it's a 3-hour drive to the Aberdares game park. The picturesque journey gives you a snapshot of authentic Kenyan life as you pass through local villages, wind up through valleys and dense jungle. Just when you think you've seen the best Kenya has to offer, this incredible country just keeps on giving. With its mystical cloud forests, cascading waterfalls and amazing hikes, the Aberdares game park is as much about the flora as it is the fauna. Kenya's extreme beauty, unparalleled wildlife and melting pot of cultures are just some of the reasons to visit this amazing country. It's done more than enough to earn its place on our list. Well, that's all we have time for this week. Tune in next time when we'll be revealing the runner-up on our list of the best places to visit in 2021. In at number 2, we're exploring a paradise of snow-capped peaks, charming rustic culture and world-beating wellness spas. Any idea where we might be headed?